squeeze 4 more. Don't forget to use your breath. This is big fun with the count of 8 beans, right? Down and up, half range, and stop. Down and stop. Good. From the top and here. Stop. 2, 3. Good. Full range, all the way down and up. Good. Make sure you're pulling in that core, keeping it nice and tight. Keep going to 8 more and 8, 7, 6, 5, 3. Let's bring our feet together. We're going to do tricep extension. Really extend, out and in. Good. Relax that neck. Make sure you bring that belly button towards your spine, navel to spine. Then extend at the top of your range. Extend, tricep extension. Keep going up to 8 more and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 more, 5, 6, 7. Good, leave there. Let's do little pulses. We do bend, extend. I'm going to turn side on for a minute so you can see me. Bend, extend. Ow! Hi! Oh yeah. And bend, extend. Good. Now we're going to pulse them up. We go, oh dear, up, up, up. Little pulses. Navel to spine. Relax that neck. And breathe. Squeeze. Good. Keep going. Up. Now let's bring them above over our heads. We go down and up. Down and up. Down. Good. Come turn side up so you can see. And up. And up. And double time we go and pulse and pulse. Oh yes. We should be actually kind of spinach, right? Popeye and pulse, 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 pulse. Now let's do the overhead press. We go down and squeeze down. Good. Make sure you can see your fingertips. Don't take them too far behind your head. Pull down and up, down and up. Good, let's keep going, come on. Use your breath. Good, stay there. We bring them out, hold them here. We're going to do chest squeeze. So you're going to bring your elbows together. As we squeeze for chest, we go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the arms down. Let's lift. Shoulders. And 2, 3, 4. 4 more. 5, 6, and 5, 7. Lateral lift. We go and fly up and squeeze. 2. Slightly bend those elbows. They're going to look like a coat hanger. Slightly bend and up. Good, let's try it all again. Forward and up. Relax the shoulders. 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Good, last thing. We're going for flies, making pretty. Up and squeeze. 2, 3, 4. 4 more. We're almost done. 4 and 3 and 2. Last one. Good. Relax. Roll your shoulders. Excellent work. If you need more of an arm workout, you can repeat that all over again. If not,